Hello, my name is Sasha Munson. I am a junior in Neshoba Regional High School in the Intro to Digital Creativity with Adobe class. Throughout this course, we have learned many skills that will help with design online for future references, including InDesign, Premiere, and Photoshop using Adobe. Through these bases, we have created a business card, which is located here, a flyer located here, an advertisement here, music video, and we did Photoshop on multiple different pictures. My two favorite projects would have to be the advertisement back here and the music video. I love editing videos and making them very creative, but I have never been able to figure it out. So learning this in class helped me to do something I have wanted to do for a long time. I loved having fun making the music video, going on adventures and eating tons of candy to make a point of the Sugar Sugar title. I also appreciated the advertisement process because my friends really made an effort to help me make an ad to represent my website as much as it could have, and editing in class was informative and a lot of fun as well. I really enjoyed using Premiere. It was simple and effective and very nice for a beginner. I can use this skill for my everyday life outside of school for editing videos I take for YouTube. Keeping a full portfolio of all my work was very helpful and interesting. Being able to look back on my first work in the semester versus my latest work is fun to compare, contrast, and learn from my mistakes. So my first project was the flyer, and this is the full thing. And my latest one has been the Photoshop. And again, here it is. My least favorite project this year would have to be making the flyer. Going back here, I couldn't figure out how to use the tools provided on InDesign, so I got frustrated and gave up halfway through. I also couldn't figure out how I wanted to arrange the different words and what would be the most logical. Overall, I did not enjoy the format of the Adobe app we were using, and I don't think I worked well with it. The music video definitely allowed my creative and fun side to come out. I loved going out to film because it gave me an excuse to go out and have fun. I also really loved working with Premiere because it was easy to upload pictures and figure out how to use all the different tools. There were so many options for transitions for the video clips and music fading in and out at the beginning and end. The end product shows who I am when I am creative because of the amount of freedom and choice I had. All through this semester course, I have really enjoyed everything we have done, and having a great teacher helped immensely. I loved working with all the different applications, and I know I will be using these skills in the future. And thank you so much to Mrs. Carter because she has been the best teacher ever, and she's taught me so much this whole entire semester. So, thanks for watching.